Hello, first grade friends, and welcome to today's math lesson. For today's lesson, you're first going to need a triangle piece of paper just like this. Take a second to pause the video, gather the materials, and make a triangle just like this. Feel free to have your family members help you make that triangle. Press play when you're ready to begin. Great, welcome back. So I have my triangle piece of paper here, and I'm going to pretend that this is a piece of cheese. Well, actually, I wonder if I do a little bit of magic, if I can actually make this turn into a piece of cheese. Let's try. Let's see. Blow on it for me. A little harder. Okay. Look, you did it. You turned it into a piece of cheese. All right, now we're ready for our challenge. You're going to work with your partner to divide this cheese into 2 equal shares. Talk about how you know that each of you have an equal share. Pause the video now and make sure you've shared this piece of cheese equally between you and a family member. Great, welcome back. I have 3 questions for you to talk about with your family member there. 1, how did you show your shares? So, how did you get the 2 equal pieces? Second question, what are the names for one of those shares? Once you've split it, what are the names for those shares? And finally, how do you know that you have equal shares? Here's some ideas of things that I saw. 1, you could take your scissors and go straight from one vertices right down to the middle of the other side. That would split your cheese into 2 equal parts. Now, naming this part, half, 1/2, or 1 out of 2 parts. Is that what you talked about? And finally, I know that this is fair. I know that it is equal because I can match up the 2 pieces to make sure they are the same size. Let's try it another way. Here's my other piece of cheese. I could cut across the middle this way. Now, I showed you I cut straight across. These are 1 of 2 pieces, but it's not equal parts. When I try to match them up, clearly this person is getting a lot more of the cheese. So here's another way. You could first fold your cheese to make sure that it's cut in half before cutting it to share. So the next step is I've posted an open response problem for you. I will read it first, and then you will work today to solve this problem. In an art class, children sit at tables for a project. 2 girls sit at one table, and 4 boys sit at another table. Each table gets 1 large square of construction paper to work with. The 2 girls share the paper evenly, and the 4 boys share the paper evenly. Who gets a larger share of the paper? 1 girl over here sharing it with 2 people, or 1 boy sharing it with 4 people? You can use pictures and words to explain your answer. Please share them with me when you're done and work hard on your math today.